Hi friends, today we will see 5 powerful topics to create a professional dashboard in Power BI with visual charts and examples. For more clarity, we will see uh, all the slides. So we are moving to the next slide, which is like first point is start with clear KPI goals. So we have put some points like before designing anything, define decision should this dashboard help make. Who is the audience like CEO, sales manager, or operations head? Then focus 4 to 6 main KPIs only. Otherwise, it will create only a confusion to the audiences. For example, revenue, profit, growth, customer count, and if you are preparing this dashboard for the insurance industry, in that scenario, you need to provide or create a dashboard for claim ratio or KPI for the claim ratio as well. Like what is the ratio? It is what percentage currently at what percentage the ratio is running. Then use visual cards to show on the top basically or on the left side of the dashboard. For example, we have shown some sales dashboard like revenue, on-time delivery, top customer, and top product, and bifurcation of those in details, right? Then moving to the next, where again we have shown one KPI value like revenue, then profit, then again revenue in percentage like the total revenue is $2 million. Profit is approximately 268 397 and revenue is 89%. Then we have shown in the next point is use the right chart for the right data. So to what kind of chart you should use, we have clearly defined in this. So is a in left side it is data type, in right side it is best chart. So for the comparison, always use bar oblique column chart. For the trend over the time, you should use line chart. For the distribution, you should use pie chart or donut chart. And then revenue and profit, you can use a combined chart. For example, sales by region, so you should show in bar chart. Monthly revenue, you should show in line chart. Revenue plus profit, you can show in combo chart. Avoid using pie chart in such kind of dashboard. Next is maintain clean and professional layout. Again, layout is a very important uh, point which we should consider while we are creating any dashboard. So first one is design rule. So use a grid alignment, then keep equal spacing, then limit 3 to 4 colors only. Don't put multi colors. Use white or light background because if you are selecting a vibrant color like red or any other color, so this is not a right way to create a dashboard in professional way, because if you are showing vibrant color it will pinching to the audience in eye. Then group related visuals you should only put. Then for the alignment you should use view, align, and distribute for the professional spacing. Then next is this is the chart which we have shown. Like in the left side we have shown the KPIs values. Then we have put some charts, line chart, bar chart, and heat chart and all. We have clearly this is the very uh, clean and what you can say like this is a very acceptable kind of dashboard. Next is this again in this dashboard you can see the area, right, in graph in the map chart. Sorry, in map format you can see like here we have provided some pie chart. Then again this is the distribution. The next point is add interactive filters or you can say slicers. So slicer could is very useful option to put in your dashboard, because if you want, because we are using Power BI, and if we are using filter or you can say slicers, so you can easily create multiple types of uh, reports. We will see later in this, like date slicer. So you can put monthly, quarterly, half yearly or yearly dashboard, sorry, filters or slicer you can say. Then region wise slicer or filter you can put, then put up slicer you can put, then drop down filters you can also use. And this, if you're using this kind of slicers, so what is the benefit? Like this allow users to view monthly performance, compare regions, or drill down into the specific categories. So here are some examples. Like if you're selecting this, so your chart is changing as per your selection, right? So this way you can create a meaningful dashboard for your CEO or production manager or operation manager or your client. Again, we have shown here, like we have provided some range and there's a quantity wise sales amount is there. So this kind of filters you can easily use. Again, on the right side, there's a cross filtering slicers. So you can use such kind of slicers, which will using these slicers you can create more insightful dashboard. Next is tell a story with your dashboard. So you should always write few lines about your uh, you can put inside in story format, like what happened, why this has happened. Suppose if there's drop in sales, so what was the main reason? If there's a high demand and you are unable to produce at certain level, so you can put these all remarks in storytelling format. Then what should we do next? Again, based on the report or values, you can provide some insight as well. What you should add? You should add train indicator, like up or down arrow buttons. Conditional formatting you can use. Then inside text box, for example, revenue increased 12% due to strong performance in North region. Again, this is a storytelling point we have put in this dashboard. So you can is your the audience can easily understand. Yeah, there is a 20% increase in performance in North region because of revenues used increased strong performance. This makes your dashboard executive ready. Then there are certain uh, story we have put in right side. So this kind of story you can also put in your dashboard. Okay. Then again, there is a example for the same where we have put some storytelling where we are doing as per the details. Next point, again, we have shown some charts here. I hope this dashboard was useful. These pointers are useful for creating dashboards. Thank you.